We are now just leaving Saxilby. We just had a brief, like, 20-minute stop, and I'm laughing because this is the third take of me saying that.
We're going to say Torksey.
Yeah.
Torksey.
So we're now just going to go from Saxilby to Torksey. Not Torksey, Torksey.
Torksey sounds better.
It does sound better, yeah, but it's not what it's called. But yeah, we're going to head over to there. Like I say,
wait, look, apples.
Oh yeah, but they're high up though.
Yeah.
The camera won't pick them up, so
Damn
we're
it.
way past. But yeah, we're going to head to Torksey, try and get through the lock as quickly as we can, because I have to cycle at least half an hour back to Saxilby or a full hour to Lincoln. So yeah, I haven't decided which one I'm going to do yet, but the weather just can't make its mind up. We've got coats on, then we take the coats off because it's warm, and then we put them back on because it's cold. I had gloves on earlier, now I don't have gloves on. It's hard work. So we're almost at Torksey. It's taken quite a while to get here, but it's been an interesting journey. It's been nice and very cold at times. As soon as the sun goes away, it's really cold, and then as soon as it comes out, it's just like you're taking your jacket off, you're taking your hoodie off. Right now it's kind of medium, even though the sun is, you know, beaming down on us. But there's like sunshine that way, and then there's rain that way. So we're like right in the middle of it, kind of a nice area to be. But yeah, radioed through to Torksey, and they said, you know, just come straight through to the lock so we can get moored up the other side. So it's currently 5:30 in the morning. We're up and just doing all our preparations to make sure we're ready to go onto the Tidal Trent. And we're absolutely exhausted. I'd cycled back 12 miles yesterday back to Lincoln, the whole journey from Torksey, and I'm just tired. Yeah, we've got to leave here now. We're the other side of the floodgates on the Trent, the tidal section. We've got to leave here at about 6:30, with the view of getting to Keadby for about 12:15, 12:30. So the guy at Keadby said take your time, but judging on the calculations that we've worked out using various apps, it takes about 6 to 6.5 hours anyway. So I'm not going to be going too slow. There is supposed to be another narrowboat going with us. There was supposed to be 2, but we can only see 1 here on the pontoons. So I'm just keeping an eye on their boat just to see whether they do actually start their engine and start prepping themselves ready to go. If they do, then we'll follow along with them. If they don't, then we're on our own. So yeah, it's going to be good fun.
Okay, now set all the toys up, okay? Yeah, she's going to stay. You can't come out here because it's dangerous. Cat? What? I've got the
So we're just setting off now from Torksey. It's a very, very foggy, very, very frosty morning. Everything was frozen on the boat this morning. We're going to make this work. We're just about to go into a pure, you can't see anything at all. It's just fog. Last thing I want to do is get beached here though.
Yeah.
Whew. It's calm.
Yeah.
But look. Oh my god, Hayley.
Where's the board? The light?
I've already got the light
Okay.
on.
Is this a good idea?
Yeah, well, we're off now. Okay, so we currently cannot see anything.
This is terrifying. We're actually staying in the middle. Oh my god, we've got sandbags. Okay, at least the water's calm.
Yeah.
There's not really that many obstructions literally in front of us.
No. Right, you need maps up because we need to know where these turns are. I can't see anything.
Like what? Okay, just wait a minute, mate. I've got a second thought.
So, just to show you how bad this actually is, this is our view. You can't see anything. I can't see anything. I'm literally blind. I'm legally blind. It's clearing up a bit here. Huh? Well, at least the bridge is going to be a big bridge as well, not some like little peephole thing we've got to fit through.
Oh yeah, you can kind of see where it's coming down. Very well.
I don't have light. I lost it. So yes, I should be wearing it. No, I don't have it. river curves to the right a bit here?
It goes like that.
What, to the left or to the right?
Left, yeah.
Right, okay. I think we go through this bit, 'cause look, I can see it looks fairly clear. This is quite possibly the most petrifying thing I've ever done.
A really cool camera. Like me to that.
I know. It literally isn't. Oh yeah. Go on the left, yeah? That's how I was gonna go, look. Just for the camera, there's like 3 meters of space. But because of the fog, you can't see anything.
Don't listen to my intuition ever again.
Well, I was thinking go that way as well. Yeah.
Don't listen to anything I'm going to say, because clearly I have no intuition.
I've got no visibility further than 10 meters. I can't see anything right now. This is the worst it's been.
Oh my god. I actually feel sick.
Yeah. Right, you need maps up, not camera. I need to know the flow of the river. Otherwise we are going to round out.
Right, it's like bend that way and then we're straight for the wild way.
No, not okay.
Right, I know we're not okay. We bend around the way, but very slightly.
Okay. All I'm trying to do is keep us like parallel with this side.
Right, needs to be the front trying to count the obstacles.
No. Where I need you now is just making sure I stay sort of parallel with the ground on the right, but not too close to it. The sun's coming up, so what I'm hoping is when the sun comes up, it will clear this fog, because this is unbelievably bad. Look at this. I'm blind.
I think so.
I'm blind.
We've got to not panic, we're in it.
So just for reference, visibility is that bad, I can't see a metre in front of the boat right now, like at all, nothing.
Veering too fast.
Yes. Hopefully. I'm hoping when the sun comes up, it clears the rest of this fog. Yeah. Oh, it looks like it's a little bit clearer up here. That honestly was one of the single scariest moments I've ever had.
Right, that's great finish. That's enough now. We now have it all clear.
I mean, you guys can see it there. Look how bad that is. Yeah, imagine driving Yeah, fuck it, I'm gonna say driving. Imagine driving a boat on a river that you've never done before, you don't know the route, you don't know the bends, and you can see no more at the worst point than like 2 meters in front of your boat. I mean, it's kind of naive of us to have still come out.
This is again another error of judgment. We did every single check.
Yeah.
Did we look at the weather?
No.
No. What an absolute stupid thing.
But we're up against it. We need to get this side.
Yeah.
What can we do?
The kids are going through it. Yeah, don't. If you've got a pen in your hand, go put it on the table, okay? What is it? Is that a pencil? Where? Or paintbrush? Oh, that's fine. You've got no paint in it. That's fine.
I think the breeze of the open fields kind of opened it up for us.
Yeah, this bit's quite big roads.
Yeah.
Right on the bit where we need.
It's got trees either
Is that a
side.
board then?
Huh? No. I'll horn either way.
I just thought I'd say
At least we've got VHF if we need emergency assistance.
probably figure, oh god, there's sun there.
Nah, they'll know we're slowing up so we can get in.
Yeah, I need to have my jumper on for a minute, I'm sweating. I don't want to have my hair down yet, because I don't have my hair back.
I'm going to keep my jumper on, but I'm going to take the coat off because I'm roasted now. So after all that, we find out we're too early. So our options are we get there by just ploughing straight on, and when we arrive we simply poke our nose into the lock, or we slow it down and we try and make it there for 12:15, because that's the earliest we can go into the lock fully, when the lock will have enough water. So at this moment we've slowed the revs down to about 1000 RPM with the hope of getting there at a better time. And it's now getting quite hot, as you can see. The sun is right up, and not only is it fucking up the shots, but it's also very hot now. Welcome to the UK. I can't, like, my words cannot describe how happy I'm going to be to get to the other side of here, moor up, and just sit. I'm not going to go straight away to get the car, but I am going to need to leave within half an hour. But if I can just have half an hour not on my feet. We left at 6 AM and it's now 11:41. So by the time we get moored up, it's going to likely be about, probably about 12:30 at the earliest. Because once you get through the lock at Keadby, there's then a sliding railway bridge. The lock keeper's going to have to open up for us so we can continue on. Yeah, they do that. Yeah, we don't have to get off or press anything or do anything. He'll get us through the lock, he said, and then he'll do the railway bridge. Because he's not expecting the other boats, I'm assuming, for at least an hour.
Now's what?
You want to go back to Lincoln?
Very much done. I take it back. I don't want to live there.
Yeah.
I'm not a city person.
What was it? Video 2 or 3 where you, yeah.
Oh, I could live here.
I could live here. It's lovely.
I'm a country girl. I need the quiet. It's too much.
Well, we want to be able to say to the kids, just run off and go and play, not watch out for needles and.
Like, don't touch, no, stay together, don't. Oh, it was just, I was on their case all the time, so I had to be, just like safety.
Yeah.
I just want to be back in the field where I can, like, yeah, run, pick the leaves up, pick the sticks up, do what you want to do, jump in the puddle.
Like Lincoln,
it's definitely not urine.
Lincoln's lovely. It's got a nice charm to it, but it's just like where you have to moor when you're a visitor there on a boat is just a bit dodgy. Yeah.
Unless you pay the 24 quid for a widebeam.
Yeah.
Lovely marina, they're lovely.
Yeah.
But can't afford to pay that all the time.
Yeah.
As a visitor, I think it's decent prices if you're mooring there properly.
Yeah, yeah, but I mean the week discount price was £120 for the week.
Yeah.
And then 25, I think, for parking, which is pretty reasonable.
But if you've not accounted for that, obviously we're trying to save money being continuous cruises, then it soon adds up, isn't it?
It's not in budget.
Yeah.
So I'm assuming this here is emergency moorings. I can't really read the blue and cream sign in the middle, but if that's emergency moorings, you can kind of get a gist of just how high this river can potentially get, which is just insane. And then when we get to Keadby, what we've got to do is go past the lock, spin around and come back on ourselves towards the lock. The reason you do that is so you've got more control of the boat. You're going against the flow of the river, the current, as opposed to going with it. Obviously, if you're going with the current, with the flow, you're going to have less control and more speed. And when you're doing manoeuvres like trying to get into a tight lock, you want more control and less speed. It's easier to speed up than it is to slow down in a vessel this size. We learnt that one from watching Minimalist.
Yeah, I'm glad they went first.
Yeah. Thanks for your guidance.
Yeah.
You've helped us in ways that you didn't know.
Watching all their updates, so you know what to do.
Yeah.
Especially after seeing that boat try moor up, start swinging out. Like, oh
yeah,
gosh.
and smash into their boat. Yeah. So now we've gained a bit of experience, but that's the thing with boating is stopping and taking the time to speak to other boaters, because you know I've met boaters that have been doing it for like 25 years and they still say to this day I'm still learning now. So it's nice to speak to these people and get their insights and their information. And there's been places where we've been where we wouldn't have known certain spots if we hadn't spoken to the boaters.
Definitely.
So it's a great community.
There's only so much you can learn online, isn't there?
Exactly. Yeah, and you only get like, I don't know, I feel like you get forced opinions when you go into forums and stuff.
Yeah, it's very negative as well. Forums,
Yeah.
like Facebook, Jesus.
Yeah.
Ask a question, it's like,
You should know this.
you should know this.
Yeah.
Like, yeah, or just sarky remarks. All right, bloody answer.
When all you're trying to do is just gain a bit of experience without having actually, you know, just jumping in the
It's
deep
even
end.
worse though if I don't post anonymous. As soon as they see that I'm a woman, Jesus Christ, the responses.
Yeah.
As always, thanks for joining us on this episode. We hope you enjoyed it. Join us next week where we go from Keadby to Thorn, bearing in mind that some of this footage was lost due to the hard drive corruption issues we encountered. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe though. See you next time.